All that food. Hey, that motherfucker gold. That motherfucker gold. That motherfucker gold, son. I heard that joint on the scan. I was like, what the fuck? And I heard this shit hit right here. I was like, oh shit, they right here. I'm like, here it go, B. There it go, B. They own it. He all through the blocks. All through 20th, all the way up to 21st and Rainbow, son. Damn. They gonna whoop his ass when they catch his ass. I'm surprised they ain't pit maneuvered his ass yet. He whipping too. He whipping through the blocks.
He must have got his ass.
They must have got him. That nigga was whipping.
He got his ass.
They had to get him. He was whipping hard.
Hell yeah.
I'm like, damn, don't hit my shit, son. Let me come check this shit out. Don't hit my whip. It's going down. Yeah, they got him. They got him.
Got him on Rainbow.
Hey, he was hitting all the alleys too, all the streets.
Did they get him on Rainbow?
He was hitting 21st, Rainbow, the alleys. That motherfuckers was gone.
They fighting now.
It's like motherfuckers fighting and shit. Damn, son. I don't know where they caught him at, though. Look, they got the police right there. They gotta be up there somewhere. He ain't whipping no more.
Jumped out and down.
I'd have dished that motherfucker. I'd have dished that shit.